Gifts in the business world. Making the right impression. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of business etiquette, focusing specifically on the tradition of gift giving. Why is it important? Well, gifts can serve as tokens of appreciation, strengthen business relationships, and reflect the giver's cultural awareness. But what's considered appropriate? Let's find out. In the business world, relationships are crucial. A gift, when given appropriately and thoughtfully, can 1. Strengthen relationships. A well-chosen gift can show that you value and appreciate the other party. 2. Reflect cultural sensitivity. Being aware of cultural nuances in gift giving can leave a lasting positive impression. 3. Promote goodwill. Gifts can foster a sense of goodwill and mutual respect, which is essential for long-term collaboration. When selecting a gift for business partners or clients, consider 1. Cultural considerations. Be aware of cultural norms and taboos. For instance, in some cultures, gifting a clock is considered bad luck. 2. Personalization. A personalized gift shows that you've put thought into it. However, avoid overly personal items. 3. Practicality. Office supplies, gadgets, or books related to the industry can be excellent choices. 4. Budget. An excessively expensive gift might make the recipient uncomfortable. Find a balance. 5. Branding. While company-branded gifts can be appropriate, ensure they're of high quality and not overly promotional. If you're in doubt, here are some universally safe and appreciated gift options for business occasions. 1. Gift baskets, filled with gourmet foods, chocolates, or fruits. 2. Books, related to business, leadership, or motivation. Avoid controversial subjects. 3. Desk accessories, high-quality pens, notepads, or desk organizers. 4. Experiences, seminar tickets, workshop passes, or cultural events. Ensure the date is convenient for the recipient. 5. Gift cards, for reputable restaurants or stores. It gives the recipient the freedom to choose. Timing and presentation matter. 1. Occasion. Celebratory events, milestones, or end-of-year festivities are typical occasions for gifts. 2. Packaging. An attractively wrapped gift reflects effort and consideration. 3. Card. Always include a card with a brief, sincere message. 4. Delivery. If possible, give the gift in person. If not, use a reputable delivery service. Gift giving in the business world is more than just a gesture. It's a reflection of your understanding, respect, and value for the relationship. Choose wisely, and you'll not only make a lasting impression but also foster stronger, more collaborative business ties. We hope this guide helps you navigate the intricate art of business gift giving. Until next time, happy gifting!